Well, it seems to be some kind of chemical leak. It just doesn't have the properties of a typical sewage leak, which is what we're hearing from the DEP. The smell of it, the oily sheen on the top of the water, all of those things are indicative of some kind of chemical that's either been dumped or has leaked from a storage tank. And now we're just kind of hypothesizing there, but that's what we're working on. The concern, obviously, anytime you're killing the fish, it's also affecting all the other things that live there, the aquatic insects, the phytoplankton, all kinds of life could be massively affected by this. And then humans, obviously, we have to worry about this. We're breathing in these chemicals as we walk around campus. The people who live out west of town get their water from this watershed. They're drinking this groundwater, and who knows if that chemical has gone into that water source. So that's obviously a concern there. It's actually fairly easy to localize the area in which it begins, and it helps that this is such a small little stream. It's only about 4 miles in length, and so all we have to do is just go walk upstream until we stop finding the chemical, stop smelling the chemical. But once you've localized the area, actually finding where the spill has occurred might be more difficult, particularly if it's coming from, say, an underground storage tank, or if someone has dumped it into a pipe that could be, who knows, miles or more away, that's just emptying into the creek. You may never find it. Like I said, we opened up the fish, and histologically, they looked fine. Their organs looked perfectly normal. But we only opened up about a dozen fish. Maybe if we look at more and more and more, we would find some damage. People take water for granted because if you put something in it, it appears like it just goes away. But it doesn't go away. It just goes into somebody else's backyard. And that's what we're finding now.